The H1B Guy here, and today, the H1B Guy forecasts July 2022 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions. It's the first of the month, and that means it's time for my monthly employment-based Visa Bulletin predictions. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention that H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Sedesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and also by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Is your OPT visa about to expire and you were not selected in the recent H1B lottery? Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Join the squad. Well, I want to thank everyone who took time to check out the H1B Guy forecast June 2022 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions that was posted on May 2nd. And also for checking out the H1B Guy grades June 2022 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released that was posted on May 13th, where I reviewed my June 2022 forecast. If you're new to this channel, I cover employment-based immigration benefits, including the monthly Visa Bulletin. Last month, I graded out at 88%, 14 out of 16. I'll continue to use the bulletins from 6 months prior, as well as last month's bulletin to identify if there are any noticeable trends. Starting with the June 2022 Visa Bulletin's number of days forward movement month over month, as well as the number of days forward movement over the last 6 months from the January 2022 Visa Bulletin. So let's get right to the June 2022 Visa Bulletin with final election dates in India. EB1 was June 1st, 2022, 31 days forward movement month over month, and 151 days forward in the last 6 months. EB2, September 1st, 2014, 365 days forward movement month over month, 785 days forward in the last 6 months. And EB3, January 15th, 2012, no forward movement month over month, and no forward movement in the last 6 months. China, final action dates in EB1, June 1st, 2022, 31 days forward movement month over month, 151 days forward in the last 6 months. For EB2, March 1st, 2019, no forward movement month over month, 38 days forward in the last 6 months. And EB3, March 22nd, 2018, no forward movement month over month, and no movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras in EB4, May 1st, 2017, no forward movement month over month, and 683 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For final election dates for Mexico in EB4, April 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, and no movement in the last 6 months. Moving on to dates of filing from the June 2022 Visa Bulletin, starting off with India in EB1, June 1st, 2022, 31 days forward movement month over month, 151 days forward in the last 6 months. EB2, December 1st, 2014, no forward movement month over month, 511 days forward in the last 6 months. EB3, January 22nd, 2012, no forward movement month over month, and no movement in the last 6 months. Moving on to dates of filing for China in EB1, June 1st, 2022, 31 days forward movement month over month, 151 days forward in the last 6 months. EB2, April 1st, 2019, no forward movement month over month, and no movement in the last 6 months. EB3, April 1st, 2018, no forward movement month over month, and no movement in the last 6 months. Moving on to El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras for dates of filing in EB4, June 15th, 2017, no forward movement month over month, and 699 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. So with all that being said, let's forecast July 2022 Visa Bulletin for employment-based preferences. Disclaimer, these dates are completely made-up guesses based on my own personal hunches and historical data. For the July 2022 Visa Bulletin, the H1B Guy forecast, final action dates for India and EB1, July 1st, 2022, EB2, October 1st, 2014, EB3, January 15th, 2012. For final action dates for China in EB1, I predict July 1st, 2022, EB2, March 1st, 2019, EB3, March 22nd, 2018. For El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras in EB4, I predict May 1st, 2017. And for Mexico, for final action dates in EB4, I predict April 1st, 2020. Moving on to dates of filing for the July 2022 Visa Bulletin in India and EB1, I predict July 1st, 2022, EB2, December 1st, 2014, EB3, January 22nd, 2012, and for China for dates of filing in EB1, I predict July 1st, 2022, EB2, April 1st, 2019, and EB3, April 1st, 2018. And for dates of filing for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras in EB4, I predict January 15th, 2017. So to recap, I'm forecasting final action dates for India will move 30 days forward. Final action for EB2 India will move 30 days forward. No forward movement for final action EB3 for India. Final action EB1 for China will move 30 days forward. No forward movement for final action EB2 for China. No forward movement for final action EB3 for China. No forward movement for final action EB4 for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. No forward movement for final action EB4 for Mexico. For dates of filing for India and EB1 will move 30 days forward. No forward movement for dates of filing for India and EB2. No forward movement for dates of filing in India and EB3. Dates of filing for China and EB1 will move 30 days forward. No forward movement for dates of filing for China and EB2. No forward movement for dates of filing for China and EB3. And no forward movement for dates of filing for EB4 for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. Now it's time to forecast the release date of July's Visa Bulletin. I'm predicting Monday, June 13th, 2022 as the release date of the July 2022 Visa Bulletin, with Tuesday, June 14th, 2022, and Wednesday, June 15th, 2022 as my second and third options. So recapping those release dates, first, Monday, June 13th, 2022, second, Tuesday, June 14th, 2022, and third, Wednesday, June 15th, 2022. Once the July 2022 Visa Bulletin is released, I'll put together the H1B Guy grades to see how I did with this month's predictions. For the full post on the H1B Guy forecast, July 2022 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions, please check out the h1bguy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Syndesus and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesus and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process, and to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesus or Path to Canada will be in touch. And also by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And also by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? If your OPT visa is about to expire and you weren't selected in the recent H1B lottery, our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. company nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking an opportunity to find a rewarding career working in North America. They can help you obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 6 to 8 weeks. Whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. company or want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.